Hi everybody, today I'm gonna unbox and test the QCY Earbuds T18. Let's check what I have in the box. My earbuds come with multiple pairs of ear tips, among which medium-sized are pre-installed. USB cable, first time user card, user manual, charging case, the earbuds with M-size ear tips, a microphone, LED indicator, a touch panel, and the charging connector. First time connection. Open the charging case and the earbuds will automatically enter the Bluetooth pairing mode. Select QCY T18 on your device's Bluetooth list to connect. The headset can connect to two Bluetooth devices same time. First, turn off the Bluetooth function on phone A to disconnect earbuds from phone A. On phone B, search and tap QCY T18 to connect. Then turn on Bluetooth function on phone A and reconnect QCY T18 with phone A to finish multiple point connection. This headset has an application. You can install it with the QR code. Sign up, add your earbuds. Then you can see the battery percentage. On the settings tab, you can customize your touch panel, update your firmware, you can find your lost headset, you can activate the gaming mode and reset the device. On the sound tab, you can use Pre-Equalizer Settings or you can create your own equalizer preferences. You can customize your touch panel. Here is the customization menu. You have a lot of options. For each earbud, 3 different touch types, and for each touch types, you can choose one of them in 7 different action options. I had experience with Apple AirPods too. My next video will compare them. I like the QCY earbuds. The QCY technology is newer than AirPods 2. The QCY has Bluetooth 5.2 and QCY supports multi-point connection. Better range, better battery life and playtime than AirPods 2. It has Snapdragon sound quality. It supports iOS and Android. It has nice noise cancellation. The volume level isn't strong as an Apple, but it doesn't bother the people around you. Moreover, I don't recommend listening to loud music. I have been suffering from tinnitus for the last 15 years because I used to listen very loud music and there is no cure for tinnitus. Test voice, test voice, test voice, test voice. Voice test 1 2 1 2. Voice test 1 2 1 2. Test voice, test voice. Test calling, test calling. Voice test 1 2 1 2.